Hi, and welcome back to Moose and Chemistry. Today we're going to talk about types of chemical reactions in this lesson. In the first type of chemical reaction, we're going to have something called a synthesis reaction. Now, synthesis reaction is a very simple reaction, which includes the following kind of concept. A plus X yields AX. A type of equation that would fit this would be, for example, H2 plus O2 yields H2O. So you have an element plus an element yielding a compound. So now, of course, this is not balanced. We'd have to put a 2 in front of there. And then we have to put a 2 in front of there, and this equation would be balanced. So that's the first type of reaction, and there are 6 of them. So the next one is called a decomposition. A decomposition reaction is where you have a compound, say AX, breaks apart into A plus X. So an example of this would be, let's say, magnesium oxide decomposes into magnesium plus oxygen. And again, you have a compound decomposing into its elements. Now, of course, this is not balanced. We'll have to put a 2 in front of there and a 2 in front of there, and now that equation is balanced. The next type of reaction is called a single replacement reaction. Now, in a single replacement reaction, the fundamental equation would be A plus BX yields AX plus B. So in an equation of this sort, we would have, let's say, calcium plus sodium hydroxide yields calcium hydroxide plus sodium. And again, now of course, this would have a 2 down there, and we would need to balance this equation by putting a 2 in front of here and a 2 in front of there. And that would be an example of a single replacement reaction. The next type of reaction is called a double replacement reaction. And now in a double replacement reaction, we have AX plus BY yields AY plus BX. Now an example of this equation would be, let's say we had lithium fluoride plus magnesium oxide would yield lithium oxide plus magnesium fluoride. So we have 2 compounds replacing each other. And of course we have to balance this by putting a 2 in front of that. The next type of reaction is called a combustion reaction. So let's clear the field here and get some more space to do this. So in a combustion reaction, we have a hydrocarbon, say CH4 plus oxygen will yield carbon dioxide plus water. So now we need to balance this. To balance this, we'll need to put a 2 in front of here. That will give us 4 hydrogens and 4 oxygen, so we need to put a 2 in front of there. And this equation is balanced. Please note that you use a hydrocarbon plus oxygen, and we get carbon dioxide and water vapor in a combustion reaction. So the last type of chemical reaction is called an acid-base reaction. So in an acid-base reaction, we're going to combine an acid. Let's say we take the acid HF plus a strong base, sodium hydroxide. In this case, this would make water plus a salt, which would be NaF, sodium fluoride. So then again, now we do need to balance this, and by looking at this, we have 1 O, we have 1 O, 2 H's, 2 H's, 1 fluorine, and 1 sodium, 1 sodium. So we are already balanced. And these are the 6 types of chemical reactions. Have an amazing day.